why is there so much controversy around the packaging? A lot of people have been saying, oh, we spent on formula instead of pack. Some people saying that this was a budget. I hear you guys loud and clear. Me and my team, we're gonna work harder to make them pack.
HUDA, why would you do that? This is perfect. It matters what's inside, not outside. The quality matters. This is perfect for traveling. I hear all these claims and I haven't even tried it. Let's try it. Here's a close-up of my skin. A lot going on. Large pores, freckles, redness right here, dark circles, discoloration, spots. We're gonna put the Easy Blur on this side of the face. Let's try the primer first. This is a silicone-free ultra blurring primer that is good for your skin, so it's easy to use. Easy Blur primer is packed with blurring polymers that helps instantly control excess oil, smooth texture, and blurs pores. This jelly texture primer has a cooling effect for a fresh-looking skin. Now let's go for the start of the show. This is the shade I picked up from Sephora. This is not a filter. This is an Easy Blur foundation, a real live filter. It is supposed to be ultra blurring and smoothing for an easy airbrush finish with a medium to buildable coverage for a foolproof and seamless easy application. I feel like one swipe did so much and I have so much more left. Here's without any powder concealer. Let's apply some concealer. Applying some blush, some powder. This is before and this is after. I'm definitely noticing the blurring properties. The foundation has melted with my skin and the rest of the makeup. It feels super light and breathable, comfortable on my skin. As you guys can see, all these freckles, discoloration, and I had like a circle discoloration right here. Everything is covered. This retails for $29 and this retails for $37. HUDA, why would you even change the packaging? This is so perfect, so light, perfect for traveling. I absolutely love it. Like I said, what matters that's inside, not outside, and results don't lie.